Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can make a magazine cover design using Canva. Right now as you can see we are into Canva and here we have just selected a blank image template. Now we are going to elements and here we are just going to search for a man fashion image. Okay, so we are into the photos and here you can select any good image, right? Whatever the image you like the most. Let's select this one as of now, right? Okay. Now we are going to duplicate this, right? Click on share, download in PNG format. The current page only done, download. Okay, it's getting downloaded. Till then, we have selected the older image and clicked on edit. And here in the edit, we are going to filters, click on see all, and here we are just going to add the classic filter, right? Or you can add this filter as well. Okay. Now what next? Here in the elements, we are just searching for brush frame. Okay. We are in the all, and here in the frames, you can select whatever the frame you like the most. Okay, for example, I have just chosen this. Now I will rotate it. Okay, and now we are just going to upload the image that we have downloaded. Open, and we are just going to drop this image over here and going to set this perfectly, right? Okay, it's done. Now we are going to click on edit, and here in the edit you can click on filters and then do a tone, right? You can increase or decrease depending upon your requirement, right? Now we are again going to upload the same image, make it of equivalent size as per our template, right? And click on BGD. Okay, it's done. Now we are going to text, add heading, write fashion. I'm going to select the text, add white color, send this backward. But before that, let's change the font type. So we have just selected the text and clicked on font type option available above. And from here you can select whatever the good font you just want, right? You can change the font as per your requirement, right? Just look for some good font. For example, we have just chosen this font, right? Now we are going to duplicate this, keep it over here for further use, and now we have selected this one and sending it backward, layer send backward, and now we will select this one text, bring it over here, put it in such manner that it coincides with the previous text. Click on the effects, and here you can add the holo effect, right? And you can reduce the thickness and place it in such manner that it coincides. Okay, it's done. Now you can select the previous text, right? This one was the previous text. You can change its color to whatever color you like, right? Then you can again select this text, duplicate it, right? You can increase its size little bit. Let's see, else we would settle it down. No issues. Let's remove this, place it over here. Okay, this image must be coinciding with this one. Okay, and now let's go to elements and search for some graphics, right? Make it of same color, right? And as you can see, most of the things are done. Tone, paper, edge. You can add the outline. Similarly, I am duplicating it, placing it over. Let's flip it vertical and place it over here, right? And as you can see, your magazine cover is designed using Canva. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.